get all of you guys in, so you guys put your bags in, then I press buy, and then right when I press buy, all of you guys sell. All of you guys sell. That's motion.
Welcome to episode 17 of traders selling their ass on Instagram as if it's OnlyFans. As you guys can see, TJR causing illegal market manipulation, talking to 88,000 live viewers, telling them he's going to pump a meme stock so that we can all make money. But obviously, we know what he's talking about. It's a rug pull. Not only did he rug pull One of One Funding, which is a prop firm in order to help people with small accounts to grow, which obviously he tricked you guys, and that sounds like a political view. And obviously, you guys still take his side. But who got crushed the most in One of One prop, the prop firm scandal that he rug pulled? All the people with small accounts. So he took advantage of the small guys. Not only did he rug pull One of One prop firm, he actually rug pulled 4 meme coins publicly. And one of them is very, very big. Huz. You remember when he was talking about Huz every single day? That was a big one. His wallet got leaked. And as you can see, I'll put it on the source or put it on the screen with the source. He made millions and millions of dollars. Now remember who his target audience is and what age group. How many people lost money in that? Not only did he do that with Huz, he did that with Diddy. Remember when he was talking about Diddy every single day? Well, that was for a reason. It was a meme coin rug pull. He pumped it, and obviously his wallet was leaked, and he made millions and millions of dollars. Now, there were 2 other meme coins if you didn't pay attention to. It was OPSEC, O-P-S-E-C, and guess who else was part of that? Luke Belmar. Luke Belmar and TJR were both part of that, and the last one was B-E-R-T. Now, I'm going to put the source on the screen. You guys can go take a look, but that's your savior, and that's the people you guys look up to. Shout out to TJR, because not only did he rug pull One of One prop firm, but he also rug pulled meme coins to people who supported him, quote unquote, and those people had the least amount of money compared to him. Still took advantage.
So guys, I'm going home now with FBK's new car. We just bought a new car. It was cheap, man, 1 million. We bought this wild track. Show them this wild track right here. We bought it. You see this one? You see it? Bring the camera to me. We bought this wild track 1 million using KGP markets. Sign up on the KGP markets is the AI of brokers. 5-minute withdrawals are in tape. So this guy is going home right now. And I know you think I'm lying, ne? Okay, sharp, stop the video. They think I'm lying.